Take a ride in the 2013 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, body color door handles, drive-by-wire throttle, front-wheel drive, brake assist. Inside you'll find security system, cruise control, cargo area light, child-proof rear door locks, driver footrest, emergency trunk release, map lights, front and rear floor mats. Come take a test drive today.